So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy sports tickets here on the SeatGeek application. So once you open up SeatGeek, what I want you to do is to go onto the screen right here or go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon. Go to the top if you want to search up a specific sporting event, but just for simplicity's sake, I'll go back to the home screen here. I will then go down to where it says browse by category and press on view all. Once you're here, you can go to where it says sports and press on view all. Now, if your location settings are turned on, you can actually view a whole bunch of different events that are local. Then you can go to the top here, press on NFL. You can press on NBA. You can press on NHL. Basically, scroll through this way, and you can view a bunch of different options right here at your disposal that are being presented through SeatGeek. So, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy sports tickets on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.